I did not have higher education, so I decided to learn English to change my life. So, my friends, if you want to change your life by improving English, then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Ramakant and welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, I would like to talk about the reason behind of learning this language. My friends, when I started learning English, no one compelled me, no one motivated me and inspired me to learn this language. I have multiple reasons behind learning this language. One of my biggest reason is my dream. It has been a dream since my childhood to become fluent in this language. That's why I started learning English. It is one of the biggest reason. In my childhood, I was not a good student. I was not good at study at all in any subjects. And I come from an underprivileged family where no one speaks English. In my family members, no one speaks English. Even if you speak English in front of them, they will not be able to understand English at all. In 10th, somehow I completed my 10th in Odisha and then I came to Mumbai to work purpose. I started working in Mumbai for 2 years. After that, I took admission from NIUS board. I completed my senior secondary education in Bachelor of Arts from NIUS board. At that time, I was not able to speak English at all. I was able to understand English a little bit, but I was not able to speak English at all. Then I have only 12th degree in my hand. So I thought I need to do something. I have to improve my communication skill. I should know how to speak English because it will help me to achieve something in my life. It will help me to survive in my life in a better way. My friends, there are many people who want to live their life like gloriously. Even I want to live my life happily and gloriously. So I thought, in order to live life very happily, I need to do something. I need to have at least some skills in my hand, so that I don't have higher education, I don't have good communication skill, who will provide me a job in a good company with higher salary. That is why I started learning English. This is my second reason. And the third reason is building my personality, developing my personality, and building my confidence. Yes, my friends, I want to build my confidence and develop my personality. My friends, when you start talking in English in front of people, people will respect you, people will call you as a sir. Many people fail to speak English. Even they are well educated, but they don't know how to speak English. They may understand English, but there are many people who hesitate, fumble, who they don't have confidence to shoot video like this. But I have taken that responsibility, that I will create content every single day like this, no matter how many mistakes I make. I know that while speaking English, I make many mistakes, but mistakes are my stepping stones. The more I make mistakes, the more I will get a chance to speak English more, improve myself more, to build my confidence, right? So, without making any mistakes, you will not be improve yourself or grow in your life. Let me give you an example. For example, you are going to give an interview for the first time. You may not be selected in the first time because you don't have any experience of giving an interview, right? You will make many mistakes. So similarly, in my speaking skills, I don't have that much experience of speaking in English because my surrounding is not completely English. My surroundings are the people who are staying around me, they speak in Hindi. So how will I improve my English? How will I get that experience of speaking in English, right? So that's why I am creating this content to improve myself, to improve English. Okay, so this is my second reason of learning this language. And you know very well, my friends, English is an international global language. Wherever we go, English is there, right? Let me give you an example. For example, you are going to market to purchase something, And while purchasing a product, you will see everything is written in English. What is the product name, how much cost is the product, what ingredients are used to prepare this product, what is the expiry date. You will see everything is written in English. So if you don't know how to read, if you don't know how to speak English, then what will you do at that time? You have to bow yourself in front of people. You will ask some people, could you please tell me what is the product name and what is the price is written in this, what ingredients are used. You will take help from people. But if you enhance your communication skills, if you know how to read English, how to speak English, you may not have to boo yourself in front of people, right? This is the benefit of learning English, and that's why I started learning English. And English is something uh, that will help you a lot. It will help you every departments in your life, right? See, my friends, if you know how to speak English, you can uh, go wherever you want in your life. You can go abroad. If you go to abroad, you can talk to anyone in English. You will not hesitate, you will not fumble, you will not feel shy, because you know how to speak English and they can understand you, you can understand them. It will help you a lot, if you want to travel abroad, right? And one more thing I want to say, that for example, you are talking uh, to people in English, they will see you in a different way, right? you know there are many people who speak good English, but if you go to them, for example, you have many friends. Imagine that you have many friends, right? And they know how to speak English very well, but you don't know how to speak English. You don't have that confidence of speaking English, so you will feel embarrassed in front of them, and they will not become a friend to you. They will not become a friend to you because you don't know English. They will maintain a distance from you. But if you have good communication skills in English, they will become a friend of yours, right? So, and the people will see you in different way. They have respect for you, they will look you in a good way. That is the benefit of learning English, my friends. So these are the basic reasons of learning this language. I'll give you a real example. It has happened with me. There was a time, I'm a working professional, and I work in a guest house. But there was a time when a guest called me and started talking to me in Hindi. So I replied to that guest in Hindi, right? But when I called him and started talking to him in English, he called me as a sir. So now you must have understood, like if you talk to people in English, they see you in a different way. Your level is increasing in front of them. They start calling you as a sir. They started respecting you a lot. So this is the benefit of learning English, because respect is most important thing in our life. If you stay in a place where you know where people don't respect you, then what is the use of staying in that area, in that place? Actually, my friends, my English is not good, but whatever thoughts comes to my mind, I'm just speaking in front of the camera. Okay, and please support me if you can, because your one support, your one subscriber, one follow will help me to grow in my life. It will help me to motivate me a lot in my life. So, my friends, these are some basic reasons behind learning this language. When you speak English, you develop your personality, you build your confidence, you improve a skill. And when you improve a skill, it will help you, it will come to use in your entire life. And these are some basic reasons behind learning this language. So, my friends, if you are a beginner or if you want to improve your English, what you have to do first, start listening to English contents as much as possible. Because when, imagine a child, think of a child, when a child learns to speak his mother tongue, how he speaks, how he learns to speak. He learns to speak by observing people. He listens to his parents, his grandparents, his surrounding. Then he start to speak broken English, right? So in the same way you have to speak as well. I hope I hope you understand my English. If you like this content, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, share and comment. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day.